Hey, welcome back to the channel Q2 Vlogs. So today we are going to talk about a small little upgrade to your motorcycle for fork seal protection. So this is an international brand. I think this is from UK. I got this from Big Bad Bikes. I paid around 3,700 rupees for a set of the SealSavers sleeves, and this come along with a zip tie to secure these on your fork. These little accessories can save you time and money, keeping the dust, dirt and debris out of your fork seals, preventing leaks and costly repairs. By the way, mine is an NX500. It's a new bike. I think that it's already late from having this installed on my motorcycle. You don't need any special tools to have this installed. All we need to follow is a simple set of instructions that has come along with the product. Let's go check it out. So this is the fork seal. What happens when there is a mud, dirt or any dead bug lying on this fork? As this piston compress and decompress, okay, there are chances that that particle can get inside the fork seal, and eventually that might break the seal. Oil is lying above and the seal below, so there is always a chance that this will eventually wear and tear and the oil will start leaking. What we're gonna do is, as you see the forks, it's already clean because I have given a thorough wash. I still wanted to clean this surface from a mild soapy water. So in this little spray can, I have a soapy water. So I'm going to gently spray evenly using a clean microfiber towel. I will wipe off any dirt or debris that got accumulated as I have taken the bike out of the water wash. See, this motorcycle has got this extra plastic thing that covers the fork, so you cannot take it to 360 degrees, but I'm trying to keep my hand as reachable as possible. Also, I notice as I clean, there is already a mild scratches. I don't know if you could notice this, mild scratches over here. So to protect it, we are going to apply the seal protectors. So now it's time to fix it. I think it is dry. It's dry. This is my seal protector. Now I have to place this like this or like this. No, it should be like this because this diameter is bigger than the bottom diameter. So obviously this is a bigger diameter, right? So this should go like this. It's got a nice velcro and also a zip. Yeah, all right, so this would always face outside. Right, as per the instruction, it should be just an inch above. Fully engaged. Cannot I? Yeah, I think I should. Yes, perfect, perfect. Wow. It looks clean and neat, stylish, right? So I have installed. It is not an easy job, especially because this has got that zip stuff, so you have to have a helping hand. Now, whatever the zip tags they have given with this bundle, I need to fix this up. I have never seen such kind of a zip tag. It has got a double locker or whatever you call this, right? So how am I going to fix this? I will, yeah, over here. very solid. Okay, managed to cut this. Okay, so one side it is done. Now let me sit on the bike and give a gentle push and see how it feels. Now that it is done on one side, now I have to repeat it on the other side. Do you agree that these fork seal savers is going to protect your fork seals? These are quite expensive one. You will get a cheaper product also. That would cost around some 700 bucks. But these are 3,700 rupees. But the material is really top notch. After 20 to 30 minutes of struggling, I managed to fix the seal savers on the forks. It is not fit. I don't think these are going to come off for sure. It is a bit tricky and a little bit difficult to handle, especially on the left hand side. I found it a little difficult, but somehow I could successfully manage. That's all guys. Please leave a comment and like this video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Yeah, that's all for now. See you again with the next video. Until then, bye.